Hi there! Welcome back to the GoThru 360 channel. In this video, you'll learn how to create a fully interactive real estate virtual tour, fast and professionally, using GoThru's ready-made template. Whether you're a real estate agent, interior photographer, or work with property marketing, this tool is made to save your time and still deliver high-quality results. Let's dive in. From the GoThru dashboard, click Create Real Estate Virtual Tour. This is a special template preloaded with features and structure suited for real estate properties. Give your tour a name and click Next. Now, upload your 360 images. You can drag and drop them into the upload area or click to select files from your computer. Once all images are uploaded, click Continue. GoThru provides an auto-label feature powered by AI. It analyzes each panorama and automatically assigns a room name, like living room, kitchen, or bedroom. Click Apply Auto-Label and wait for the process to finish. Depending on the number of images, this might take a few seconds or minutes. After that, double-check the room labels. If something doesn't look right, just click and rename it manually. There are two useful tools here. Centering mode. This defines the opening view of each panorama. You'll see a red line. That's the direction users will face when entering the room. Adjust it clearly so the starting view makes sense. Change sequence. This allows you to reorder the flow of the tour. For real estate, use a natural order. Living room, kitchen, bedrooms. Once you're done, click Next, enable Hosted Tour, and open the tour using the link provided. Since we use the real estate template, key plugins are already applied, like a control bar for navigation, a thumbnail carousel, a pano labels to display room names. If you spot anything you'd like to adjust, like image order or room labels, you can go back to the 360 image sequence section on the GoThru page. Make your changes and click Next. And if you want to do more customizations, like changing colors, adding menus, or fine-tuning the layout, click Edit Virtual Tour. Just like that, your real estate virtual tour is ready to go. You can send the link directly to your client or embed it on your website. And that's it. Now you have a fast, clean, and professional real estate virtual tour without needing to build everything from scratch. This method is perfect for anyone who values speed, structure, and customization in one platform. So simple, so powerful. And that's how you use the real estate virtual tour template in GoThru. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss the next GoThru guide. Until next time, keep building smarter virtual tours.